Welcome back, students. In this class we continue chapter 13, exercise 13.1, chapter statistics. So here we continue the 8th question. A class teacher asks the following absentees record of 40 students of a class for the whole term. Find the mean number of students was absent. So a class register statistics is given here, that is number of days, number of students, then so we have to find the mean number of students, absent student. So first what we have, this is the problem. So first we have the number of days and number of students. Now we'll find out the midpoint. This will be Fi, number of students. Midpoint is that is Xi. Now here midpoint is zero, 3. 0 to 6 means 3. 6 to 10 will be 8. So draw the line, write it in the table form, and which will be not confused. So you won't get confused. Then 10 to 14 will be 12. 14 to 20 will be 17. Then 20 to 28 will be 24, midpoint. Then 28 to, I think it is 38, just check in the book. Yeah, 28 to 38 will be 33, and 38 to 40 will be 38, 39, 40, that is 39. So n is equal to 11 plus 10 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1, which is equal to how much? 40 is n. Now we finished finding the midpoint. Next is di, we have to find. The formula is xi minus e. What is A here? A is the midpoint of the midpoint. So we'll take 17 will be equal to A. Now for each set of values, this will be Fi into Xi. So now what are the here? Summation of Fi Xi. So now next is A. What is A? Is 17, and we'll calculate what is di. First set of values, di is equal to xi minus A. What is xi in the first part? That is xi is 3 minus A is 17, which is equal to minus 14. Similarly, for the second set of values, di is equal to xi will be 8. 8 minus 17 is equal to 11, minus 11. Excuse me. Third set, di is equal to 12 minus 17, which is equal to 15, that is minus 5. Minus 5. Next is fourth set of value, di is equal to 17 minus 17, which is equal to 0. Then fifth, di is equal to 24 minus 17, which is equal to 7. Then sixth set of value, di is equal to 39 minus 17, which is equal to 22. So it's correct. Write down the values here. Solve the positive first, negative values minus 14. One set of values I've just I've left out, that is 8 minus 8 minus 17. So this is 9. 8 minus 17 is 9. 16 minus 17. I made a mistake. Minus 9. Write down minus 5. 0, 7. Again one set of values. I have 33 I left out. So this is which one? 7th one. Then 6th value is di is equal to 33 minus 17 is equal to 16. So 6 is 12, 13. So substitute the values. That is 7, 22 and 16. Now multiply these two. 11 into 14, that is minus 154. That is 11 into minus 14 is minus 154. 10 into minus 9 is minus 90. 7 into 5 is minus 35. 0 into 4 is 0. 7 into 4 is 28. Then 22 into 3 will be 6. Here also, that is 33, 16. Then this will be 60 and this will be 22. So 33 into 16 will be 48. Then 22 into 1 will be 22. Now summing all the values, summation of fi xi is equal to minus 54 plus minus 90 plus minus 35 plus 0 plus 28 plus 48 plus 22, which is equal to minus 181. So these are the values. After this, summation we have got and n we have got, a we have. So by which method? Mean deviation method. Mean deviation method. We have the formula x bar is equal to a plus 1 by n into summation of fi di is equal to 17 plus 1 by 40 into minus 181. Therefore 17 minus 180, 18.1 we get. So we get, simplify this, 17 minus 4.52 will get, that is 12.28 days. So mean number of students were absent. Therefore mean, final conclusion, mean number of days a student mean number of students was absent is equal to 12.28 days. So this is the solution for the question 8. So this is the, now we'll continue with the question 9. This is the last problem of these exercise, that is 19. So the following table is gives the literacy rate in percentage of 38 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. The following table gives the literacy rate in percentage of 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. Therefore, this is the data, literacy rate, and number of towns or cities will be F5. Therefore 3 they have given 10, and literacy rate 45 to 55. Literacy rate means people who are educated. Number of cities is given here, then 8 and 3. So we'll find out similarly midpoint, that is xi, then ui will be xi minus a by h, then finally fi into ui. So this one is find out, therefore midpoint will be 48 to 55 is 50, 55 to 65 will be 60, and 65 to 75 will be 70, and 75 to 85 will be 80, 85 to 95 will be 90. So what is n summation of n is equal to 3 plus 10, 10 plus 11 plus 8 plus 3, which is equal to 35. Next, this one we have, so a is the midpoint of midpoint, this will be a is equal to 70. So a is equal to 70, then h is equal to, what is the range here? 10. That is for 55 minus 45, 10 is the range. N is 35. So we have to find out summation of, so first is we have to find out ui in the first case. So ui in the first case is xi minus a by h. So what is xi? 50 minus 70 by hi is how much? 10. Therefore minus 20 will get by 2 minus 2 is the first set. Second set, ui is equal to 60 minus 70 by 10, which is minus 10 by 10, which is equal to minus 1. Third set, ui is equal to 70 minus 70 by 10, which is equal to 0 by 10, which is equal to 0. Then fourth one is ui is equal to 80 minus 70 by 10, which is equal to 10 by 10, which is equal to 1. Fifth is ui is equal to 90 minus 70 by 10, which is 20 by 10, which is equal to 2. Substitute all the values in the table. So we have minus 2, minus 1, 0, 2 and 1 and 2. So now multiply each set of FIXI, FIUI, FIU. 3 2s are minus 6, 10 1s are minus 10, 11 zeros are 0, 1 8s are 8, 3 2s are 6. Then summation of FIUI is equal to minus 6 plus minus 10 plus 0 plus 8 plus 6, which is equal to minus 2. Now step deviation method. Applying step deviation method. So x bar is equal to a plus h into 1 by n into summation of x fi ui is equal to a is 70 plus h is 10 into 1 by 35 into minus 2 is equal to 70 minus 4 by 7. So 70 minus 0.54, which is equal to 69.43%. So we have to keep the value in percentage form. Therefore, it is 69.43%. Finally, therefore, mean literacy rate is equal to 69.43%. So this is the solution of the question 9. That is the last problem of the exercise 13.1, chapter 13 and chapter statistics. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.